theme I'm gonna go for this. This is if Drake made a song to a country beat.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Let me tell you this. I got one guy in my life, and I'm gonna bust his cheeks. Hey, Mr. Cowboy Man, what's the plan? Is your butt in my hand? Hey, I'm riding a horse with no shorts, getting fucked out in Japan. I'm a Japanese guy that's obsessed with cowboys, obsessed with cowboys.
Rahan Kobayashi.
Have you ever seen those?
Yeah, I love that. I think it's so cute.
Yeah. Bust his cheek like every week. He rides me raw. I gotta. Wait.
Crap.
16 naked cowboys at Ram Ranch, giving them a glance at my fart taint. Yeah.
Mr. Hands on the beat.
Mr. Yeah. Yeah. I'm the Andrew Tate of gay sex.
You're just Andrew Tate then.
You made me laugh, man.
I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting you to fucking come out with that, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the Andrew Tate of gay sex. Is it painless? Are we fateless or do we have fate? The Andrew sex.
Andrew sex.
Fuck. Sorry, man. I fucked that up.
No, that was good. I liked Andrew sex.
I'm the Andrew sex of taint sex. And that's just off the dome. Would you believe that?